Kia ora everyone, today I'm going to be showing you how to apply false eyelashes. First up, you will need some tweezers, some eyelash glue, mascara and a mirror. And of course your chosen eyelashes. Step 1. Apply 1 coat of mascara to your lashes. Step 2. Using small scissors, trim the eyelashes to fit your eyes, making sure you trim from the outer corners. Step 3. Apply lash glue to your lashes, paying attention to the ends of the lashes. Step 4. Using the tweezers, position them to the middle of the lashes like so. Wait between 30 to 45 seconds for the lash glue to become tacky. Grab your mirror. Now looking down into the mirror, you're going to position the lash to the middle of the eyes. Then position the outer corner of the lashes first. Now you can focus on positioning the inner corner of those lashes. Using the back of the tweezers, you're going to firmly push the lashes as close as possible to your lash line. Step 5. Using your fingers, pinch or squeeze your natural lashes to your false lashes. Feel free to go ahead and apply liquid liner if you desire. Practice makes perfect. Give it a go.